Constant Shiv. Tá sé go húntaach bhain an ómór do bhain I ceiliúra an obair bheá áidinte again taisce dúchas. It's a huge honor for me to be here tonight with my peers. Some of my favorite musicians are here tonight, and singers and dancers, and an honor to be here. The project I worked on was for the Drawing for the Well series was focused on the history of the Jews harp, or an trumpa, and it inspired me to learn a few tunes on it. It's a very old instrument, an trumpa. It dates back to 2000 BC, and it was first found in archaeological sites in China, made out of bone and out of wood. And it's evolved now to be made out of steel and brass. But it was played all over Asia, and was brought to Europe in the 12th century and onto these islands in the 1600s. So those of you who haven't heard a trumpa before, this is what it sounds like. That's all I can do. But I was going to attempt playing a tune on it, but I won't put you through it. But I'll try and play on the concertina. It's a tune from Mháirtín of Fatharta. It's the signature tune for Radio na Gaeltachta, and I'll play this a few times on this bass concertina. It's one of 6 bass concertinas built by the Colin Rosalie Dipper, the Dipper family. So here we go. Míle maith, thanks very much. So, I'll continue. I'm going to finish up with a set now. The first tune is called Caudation Dentation, and the second tune is called the Gallowglass. And I don't have a name for the third one, but the first tune is a song that I love, and it's a song that reminds me of my grandfather. My grandfather's house burnt down about on the 20th of August last, and it's where my father's side of the family grew up. And he had two brothers, and they ran a dance hall in West Kerry for a number of years. And West Kerry, well, in some ways it still is the Wild West, but during the Cayleys, there used to be a lot of trouble and the odd fight back there. And my grandfather, Brendan, the Buck was his nickname. They had a policy in the church, in the hall. I'll get to the church now, but they had a policy in the hall that if there's any trouble, it was Sheen or Dúisiad agus an son Laurloha. The policy was floor them and then talk to them when they're on the floor. Granddad's father's nickname was Schlap, so that should come as no surprise. But they ran Cayleys in this hall. Some of you may remember sort of stories of it, but my grandfather was once interviewed on Joe Duffy, and these Cayleys were held on Christmas Eve, and the church weren't too happy about that. So they used to say that the devil was back in the hall. And Joe Duffy once interviewed my grandfather and asked him, how did he deal with the pressure from the clergy? My grandfather simply answered, we ignored them. So this tune is called Caudation Dentation, and the message of the song translates as long as you're not hurting anybody, it's none of your business what I do with my life. So here we go.